What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Huawei MatePad T10s tablet by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics games on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance, whether we are going to face any heating issue or not, and how good is the multitasking capability of the device and the memory management. So let's start it. So we got PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty and Asphalt 9 on our MatePad T10s. Right now the battery percentage is 54, CPU temperature is 36 and the battery temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. For this testing purpose we will use the performance mode to get the best performance out of this device. So first of all, let's start with Call of Duty. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see we got only one option, and that's low quality because of the low-end hardware specs of the device, and the frame rate we have selected is medium. By default it was low, I moved it on medium, and this is the setting we are going to use to play Call of Duty Mobile on Huawei MatePad T10s. So let's play some game and let's see how good it's going to be. So this is the maximum volume and it's quite nice for sure. Pretty loud and clear. So it's pretty smooth here.
Capture the objectives.
The graphics quality is not so great.
We're capturing C. Enemy has Alpha. We captured C. We're capturing B.
Slight lagging is happening.
We've taken the lead.
Reloading! Cover me!
Losing Charlie.
Down!
But the game is playable easily, as you can see here.
Ready to deploy. Stealth chopper awaiting orders.
And it's quite smooth here, as you can see once again. It's just that the graphics quality is not so great. You can feel the edges are not so smooth and all, but the gameplay is very smooth for sure.
We lost Charlie. Stealth chopper inbound. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Enemy contact. I'm down! Need backup!
But you can see like it's quite nice when I'm changing the camera angles. And it seems pretty smooth as well.
I'm hurt!
Got a bit of cold.
Enemy in sight. Need backup!
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. UAV online.
I got shot!
Losing B.
There we
We're
go.
capturing Alpha.
But you can see that the gameplay is quite nice and smooth. No frame drops or lagging is happening. Slight lagging happened few times in the beginning, but after that it got smooth.
Enemy UAV spotted.
And you can see that you will be able to play the game without facing much issue. And also that the device is not so heavy, so even though it's a huge device of 10-inch, I'm able to play it quite smoothly without facing any issue.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
So let's play it a bit more and finish this round
We're
itself.
capturing A. Enemy taking Charlie. We captured Alpha. Enemy has C. We've taken the lead. Enemy taking Bravo.
The audio is loud and clear, but it's a bit tinnish.
Enemy Sentry gun deployed.
So if you have a close look on this
Enemy UAV
gun and everything, still the graphics quality is nice. Lots of detail in everything, but sometimes you can see on the objects and everywhere that it's a bit, the edges are not smooth and all. For example, here you can see from a distance that the edges of these buildings and structure are not that smooth.
Reloading.
UAV online. Capture Bravo.
Need backup. I got shot. Need backup.
We captured Bravo. We're capturing C. UAV online. Losing Alpha. Losing Bravo. UAV
Enemy
online.
contact.
Capturing C.
I'm hurt.
Losing C. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. We lost C.
Down. Need backup.
I'm down. Need backup.
Shot.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Losing Charlie.
Enemy in sight.
So it's really nice to play Call of Duty Mobile on
Lost Charlie.
this device here, Huawei MatePad T10s. I'm enjoying and I'm able to play the game easily and smoothly without facing any issue. And even though the graphics is selected as low and frame rate medium, it's pretty smooth most of the time. And here is the MVP, Mr. Sean Heather.
Nice work.
46 kills. So let's leave this game now. Let's close it and now let's play Asphalt 9. But before that, let's have a look on the battery status. So battery is at 51% and the temperature, CPU 53, battery 37. So CPU is showing quite increase in temperature, but the device is not warm. Here slightly the temperature is increased at the top of the backside here, but it's very minute difference, not much noticeable at all, especially when I'm holding the device like this. And time to play Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see that we have selected high quality, and this is the setting on which we are going to play the game. So let's play it a bit more and let's see how good it's going to be. So the graphics quality seems nice here at the first glance. Okay, slight lagging. Once again, when my car collided, at that time there was a bit of lagging. And here I came first. So the graphics quality was good and the gameplay was pretty smooth most of the time. Slight lagging happened once and twice, but other than that it was quite smooth. So once again you will be able to play Asphalt 9 on Huawei MatePad T10s without facing much issue, and you will be able to win it just like I did. So let's move from here and close all of them. Have a look on the battery status one more time. CPU 49, battery 36 when we are talking about temperature, and battery percentage 49. And now it's time to play PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see we have selected HD and high frame rate. By default it was on balanced graphics quality and medium frame rate. I moved it to HD and high. We cannot select HDR or Ultra HD because obviously the device is a bit low end in terms of hardware specs, but still, as we can see that we are going to play it on HD graphics quality and high frame rate, and let's see how good it's going to be. So it's pretty smooth as you can see here, and the graphics quality is nice as well. If you have a look on the costume of the character here, it's so nice. Reflection of light, shadowing, everything is good, and it's pretty smooth here as well when I'm changing the camera angles. So now if you have a look on the ground, the flower, everything is with lots of detail. So even though the device is a low-end tablet, the graphics quality is so good on PUBG Mobile here. Once again you can see it's very smooth. So I'm not so good in playing PUBG Mobile. I'm just going to give you an idea about the gaming capability of the device. If you are a PUBG Mobile fan, you can see it's quite nice. Especially the graphics quality is quite impressive. Okay, somebody shot me from where I don't even know. Okay, from this side, from the window. So as I said, I'm not a good player of PUBG Mobile. I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gaming capability, and here I go. So let's play it a bit more. So now this time you can see that the graphics quality here is not that great, and also if you have a look here you can see 3D graphics rendering is not that good. But once again, if you have a look on the costume of the character and everything, this is so good. Here also lots of detail, but once again 3D graphics rendering is a bit patchy here. So the camera angles are changing quite smoothly. No frame drops or lagging is happening. And here I'm dead again. So as you can see that like I'm not so good, I'm just gonna skip it here. What I was trying to show you, you already got that. The graphics quality is quite nice. Once again you can see the gameplay here. My teammates are playing, and if you're a good gamer you will be able to play it for sure, but that's not the case with me. And let's try the memory management now. First of all, let's have a look on the battery. So it's 47. It's quite impressive. After playing all of these games for like nearly 18 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 54 to 47, and the CPU temperature is 53. Battery is at 38. So once again it's not warm. Slightly warm sensation here at the top, but it's not hot for sure. So now I'm gonna go to Call of Duty Mobile to see whether we will be able to play two high-end heavy graphics games side by side on this device or not. So here Call of Duty Mobile is started, as you can see here, and the PUBG Mobile is running in the background. So let's see, is it still running in the background or it got force closed. So I'm just gonna go back from here to PUBG Mobile, and you can see it's still here, it's not force closed, and I have been moved to the main menu because I was not playing the game at all, but the game itself is not force closed. So if I go back from here to Call of Duty Mobile, then it's here as well, and I can start playing game right where I left it. So this is quite nice. I'm going to launch PUBG Mobile one more time, go to the game itself, not just in the menu, and then I will see whether it can run PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile together or not. But for now I just want to hide somewhere safe. I died. It's good. Let's go back from here to PUBG Mobile, start it. So here PUBG Mobile is started, and now I'm just gonna go back to Call of Duty, and it's here as well. So this is quite nice. So the memory management seems good, even though it got just 3 GB RAM. I'm able to play two high-end heavy graphics game side by side without worrying about the force closing here. So if you are going to get Huawei MatePad T10s, then you will be able to play most of the high-end heavy graphics game on this device without facing much issue. As you can see, I can play PUBG Mobile, I can play Call of Duty Mobile, and the graphics quality is good most of the time. There is no frame drops or lagging. So this is quite nice for sure. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.